Freshsales CRM tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use a Freshsales CRM solution. So Freshsales is going to be the CRM solution for the platform or the company of Freshworks. So basically you're going to have a CRM or customer relationship management from this platform that will help you to get some leads, set up everything about a, let's say, marketing or a email or a marketing campaign in general, not only emails. So we are going to head over the freshworks.com/CRM. We're going to get a specific, I think 21, between 14 and 21 day free trial. So we're going to connect our account, and as you can see, we're going to start everything from scratch. So which industry do you belong to? For example, you're going to choose one of them. If you are going to have other industries, go ahead right there. Click on get started, and then we're going to normally see the dashboard of our, as you can see here, specific platform. So where are we going to find in here? Basically, you're going to get all the way to the context, because it is going to be the most important thing here, because what is a CRM or a customer relation without customers? So we are going to have all of these examples. So you're going to start adding your contacts. And if you're going to be an enterprise or a company that has worked with a lot of clients or have a portfolio of clients, you're going to be importing your clients by clicking on import contacts. So you are going to choose whatever you want from these 8, as you can see, solutions to import contacts. So here, as you can see, you can also connect your website by bringing in website leads like that, and you're going to have a tracking code of the specific platform. So you're going to have them maybe for your Shopify store and etc. So that is in the case that if you don't want to waste your time by having XLS or CSV files. So aside from that, we're going to have the as you can see, the CRM, or basically the contacts, and also we can go ahead and add for example, views or filtered contacts. For example, you can have my contacts, new contacts, whatever contacts that you're going to be having in here. They are going to be classified, not confidentially, but basically it is going to be filtered. So now moving on to the dashboard, as you can see, the dashboard is going to be a variety of colors and also pleasing visuals, like having a lot of colors, a lot of shorts, types, and etc. So as you can see, we have the rounded or the pie right there, chart. You can have, for example, maybe a filter and also a chart and different percentage, like this one, the progress bars, and etc. So what we're going to do basically is going to be very simple. We are going to see that the dashboard is going to contain some views for each one of the project or the CRM project that we are going to have. Now we have, for example, the sales dashboard. We have also the activity dashboard. I have by accident removed everything that has been animated in this scene. I really apologize for that because I did not read what do we have. Now also we have at the bottom or the footer, as you can see, some of the items like the summary, the deals, contacts, sales activities, and the revenue, as you can see, breakdown. So these are going to be the main things that you're going to have data from. So you can edit them, you can discard the editing, you can export the data to an email or download them as a, I don't know here, the type of file that you want, and download them maybe as a CSV file, I think, or something like that. I'm going to cancel downloads. Now moving on to the accounts, which is going to be the third item from here. We're going to get all the accounts that we have in this platform, and these accounts are going to be for the clients or the associates or colleagues. So you can go ahead and have, for example, for this classifications, it is going to be a accounts for clients. So we are going to find the website of that client, the phone number, and also the number of employees in each one of the columns. So you can also have the open deals amount and etc. So these columns could be added, or you can go ahead and add some customized fields to the columns. And also you can go ahead and have a different type of indicators that will help you, or also labels that will help you to set up the or set up the tasks. You can go ahead and apply some filters, as you can see, and also set up the for example, sales owner. It contains, for example, like that. This is going to be a filter. You can add a new account by clicking on the button here. This is the add an account. Put a name, website, industry type, also the number of employees, and then you're going to save it. After that, you are going to find some a few steps that you can find or add for the columns, or you can go ahead and import directly the accounts. Or also you can go ahead and customize your table as much as you want and set up wherever you want for here. So or the vision is going to be yours. And if you want to see something, it is going to be up to you to see whatever you want. Now, moving on to the deals, this is going to be very resembling to a platform or Zoho CRM or the other CRM platforms. They are going to have the same build in each one of the times that have been created. So they are going to be only differing by the tools that they are going to be offering. So basically we can go ahead and have things or different things from here and there. And you're going to see for this deals, you can find that we have this specific. I'm not going to let's say resemble it to something other than a Kanban. So you can see that each one of the Kanbans are going to be having a different type of visuals. So in this case, they are going to they have integrated the theme of the background into this specific Kanban. So it is not going to be a little bit taller, and this is going to be a little bit of problem. So you can go ahead and see that it is going to be movable, and this is doable and also normal. These Kanbans are going to have some tasks and also the declaration of their name. For example, we have some new deals, we have some qualifications, discovery, demo, and etc. So we can go ahead and move on the projects or the deals, or I would like to call them tasks in general, or tasks. You can go ahead and move them wherever you want. And they are going to be having an activity, and this activity is going to be tracked. So as for the deal, as you can see, you can go ahead and modify the deal by having editing the fields. So each one of the deal is going to have some fields, which is going to be normal and also okay. So this is a standard one. You're going to have a related contact, for example, as you can see that I have been created here. Related account, deal type, for example, you can go ahead and classify the deal name, for example, the currency, and also the value that you're going to put the deal on. And also you can go ahead and modify them at any time that you want. Also, if you're going to have, for example, some tasks and meetings, they can be going ahead and set up here. So you can go ahead and make call or have a phone number, and you can go ahead and create that. So as you can see, fresh color is going to be a fresh sales or a fresh work plugin, or not a plugin, but basically it is going to be a solution that will help you to get a phone number to call directly from this platform to the clients or the deal related clients into their office or whatever. You're going to have make a phone call and also send emails just from here and there. So the simplification is going to be real and also very, very effective. You can, for example, create some sales sequences, route leads to your team. You can bring also or invite your team. I highly recommend for you to invite your team, because these platforms or the CRM platforms are not going to be platforms that you're going to work individually on them. You can observe them individually, but the work is not going to be fully automated by robots. You can go ahead and put your efforts within your team, and you're going to get a lot of revenues. So for the conversations, which is going to be the inbox, you can go ahead and implement Gmail, Zoho, Outlook, and other email platforms. So it is going to be your main inbox here. you can find that we're going to see the inbox, send emails, professional emails, of course, and etc. Now, moving on to the analytics, we can go ahead and have a part of the analytics into the platform, like every CRM platform that we can have here. So basically, it is going to have some reports or private, main, current reports. You can go ahead and see everything, every task or everything that you have going on is going to have a report. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.